One of the skills that we can teach you on our level 2 course, which we call Ninjas, is how to slice and dice your data. I've got a lovely spreadsheet here, which is a budget spreadsheet, monthly, quarterly, annually. I'd like to know how much I'm spending, how much I've got left. I'll teach you how to slice and dice it, and then how to see it like this at the touch of a button. How to go create charts from your data like this to get some meaningful information about what you're spending money on. All kinds of different charts can be brought to the front with this little method, which is called custom views. So not just something called outlining, how to do it with one click, but also how to move to various charts, which are very, very useful. Instead of having to click along and find the pie chart, find what you want, you've got it here on this little drop down.